Wow, ito na siya. Oh, wow. Stunning. Biglang ninamnam. Hit lang, ang ganda. Ay, hello po. Ako rin po, traveler. Oh my gosh, salamat. Taste test. Go. Good. As much a lover, satisfied. Ito na yung matagal nating hinihintay.
Kakainis na po.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Nice to meet you.
May patent daw dito yung naka-zoom in muna, tapos zoom out, correct? Gusto ko yung lagayan mo ng cash. Very humble, very simple, very demure. Hello guys, annyeonghaseyo. This is Dave the Kuripo Traveler. And now we're in South Korea. Nasa Seoul tayo guys. And pupunta tayo ng Suwon. Kaya ngayon inahabol natin yung bus. So nasa Jamsil bus terminal tayo. We have a bus to catch. Pero pwede din naman mag-subway doon. Pero mas mabilis ba pag bus? Kasi? True. Pwedeng makatulog sa bus. No transfer needed. So, nandito na rin naman tayo. We're here. Okay. Umabot naman tayo. Gate 10. Wala pa. Gate 10. Ayan. Okay. Ganyan ang life dito sa Korea. Patakbo-takbo to catch the train, to catch the bus.
Bus is in 20 minutes.
So matagal. Okay. So, every 20 minutes siya?
Yeah, because ano siya parang out of town bus.
Okay. So, Seoul is outside Seoul, okay? Yes. So, ginamit pala natin, guys, yung Discover Seoul Pass natin na nabili natin 2 years ago as Team Money Card. Oo, this is nice. I'm not sure if you're aware of this, pero Discover Seoul Pass, where you can enter different spots for free. So, 2,000 plus lang siya. Anong number? May number ba? 1009. Bus 1009. So, correct, the first bus is at 6:20 AM. The last is 11:20. 11:30. Yun. So here gate 10, 1009. And anong ginagamit mo sa pag-search ng directions?
Naver Maps.
Naver Maps. So if you guys will travel to Korea or anywhere in the world, you can book your activities or hotel via Klook. And just may promo code DaveGinoKlook para maka-discount kayo, okay? Kasi may sound effect. Si Rina, guys. Our kababayan. Waray Hapuria. Waray Hapuria.
Waray has been.
Waray has been.
God willing.
Claiming it. Babalikan natin ang video na to pag nasa Spain na si Rina. This is it, right? So we just tap. Oh, annyeonghaseyo. Sure. Pwede naman. View of the. Thank you. Ay, oo nga, maganda yung view dito. Correct. Nice. Oh my gosh, guys. Ganun siya kabilis. So, hindi siya naghihintay. Umalis na. Siya hindi siya naghihintay.
Kaya mong sumakay.
Kasi hindi marunong maghintay itong bus na ito. Hindi. They're just always on time, no? Amazing. Transport system talaga ng Korea. Are you guys in for an adventure to Suwon? Buti sumama ka.
Yeah.
Hindi ka busy today?
No. I don't have work today.
Thank you. So, it's nice because we'll also meet a friend.
What's her name?
Hazel. So, second time ko pa lang siya mamimit. But it feels like, feeling ko close na kami. Ilang oras to? Utasan nga natin. What time na ngayon? 1:04. Yes. So, arrive natin doon guys, mga 2 PM. Ako lang atang natutuwa na umuulan. Tingnan nyo, very K-drama yung vibe. Just like Rina, I love riding the bus because we're able to see the views, diba? Versus subway na close. Pero mas mahal bus ay absurd.
Okay. So, if you see blue-green bus, same lang with subway.
Blue-green.
But
Yung price?
Actually, alam mo ba, if you transfer free siya, transfer from subway to bus, libre. Walang additional fare.
Serious?
But for red buses like this, separate fare siya because it's going out of Seoul.
Okay. So, yung green and blue.
And subway, free siya if you transfer no matter how much.
Alright, pero this one, naka-red bus tayo since outside Seoul.
Separate fare.
Yeah.
For
outskirts. Okay, so yung Suwon, it's 1 hour away. It's one of the cities Suwon cheese. How about Seoul? How do you say that in
Sour Jimbyolshi.
Seoul Jimbyolshi? What is Jimbyolshi?
Metropolitan.
And Seoul Jimbyolshi. Seoul Metropolitan City. Learning new words. Is this Gangnam?
This is Munjong.
Munjong.
So Munjong is medyo southern part of
Seoul. So malayo-layo to, no?
yeah.
Mas south ng Gangnam. So malayo na talaga siya sa Hongdae. Guys, we're in Segokdong area. Tapos kung makikita nyo, mayroon na talagang trees na color red. Nag-Jeju ka na?
Wala.
Wala pa. Ang ganda nung April, punta natin sa Jeju. Super nice yung weather, cold, tapos nauna na doon yung cherry blossoms. Like, it was the peak. Si Rina, guys, gumawa pa lang siya ng Facebook page. Follow nyo siya. Okay? Warayha Korea. I'm telling her to create her YouTube channel so that she can share more, okay? Videos. We just have to start. Pwede TikTok for short-term videos. Oo, TikTok. Ako din, nagti-TikTok na rin ako. Yeah, tara. Kasi, I think we can share more on TikTok short form videos. So, easier to share stuff. Ako, habang nasa Korea ako, guys, basahin buko kasi inulan tayo. Habang nasa Korea tayo, mabilis akong nakapag-share ng TikTok videos. Yung YouTube videos ko, guys, ano pa yan? Pagka-uwi ko ng Pilipinas. I'm so sorry sa mga naghintay po. Maraming salamat. Suwon na, guys. Ilang bus stops na lang tayo. Wait, may T-Money card. I need to find. Wasong Station?
No, Paso Station.
Ha? Waso Station. Waso Station. Alright, we're here. I-chat ko lang akong friend. Okay, it's here na. Sige, dessert tayo and I have to find an umbrella too. Di ko na-expect na uulan sa Korea. Shucks, ganitong dates, inuulan pa rin pala.
Actually, no. Supposedly, hindi maulan.
Supposedly, no. Di ba pag auto?
Tinignan ko yung mga photos ko from last year this day.
Wala. Di umulan.
I went traveling. Not
So,
like this.
global warming. Charing. Ang inuulan talaga dito, spring.
Summer.
Basta.
So,
Oo.
tinatawag na Jangmatchol.
Jangmatchol. Inulan tayo. So, gusto ko maghanap ng yellow umbrella. Yellow or blue. Let's go. Welcome. This is, what do you call this mall? COEX Mall? Starfield Mall. So what is the difference between COEX and Starfield?
Actually, so COEX, it's an exhibition hall. So there you call it COEX Starfield. So Starfield is maraming Starfield. There it's COEX Starfield because it's beside COEX, which is the exhibition hall.
Okay. But this
It's
is not COEX. Suwon Starfield. Okay.
And it's my first time there.
So we're sharing our first time together here.
Aw, so cute.
Maghanap kami ng cafe. Gusto namin, as matcha lovers, magmamatcha kami. Okay? After, it's rainy day and we're going. You prefer hot or cold?
Actually, medyo hot.
Hot,
yeah.
sige. Parang ano din siya. Nakapag Hyundai Seoul ka na? Hyundai?
Oh, yeah.
Yung mall?
For example, Pandu,
Mall talaga.
where I live, may Hyundai Pandu.
Okay.
Is it there?
Tara. So, nag-search talaga si Minmin ng ng place to go here. Cafe. So, 6th floor. Akit natin 6th floor. Ang daming floors. Hala, I can't wait to be surprised by the new Starfield Library. Wow. When you go to Suwon, where do you usually go?
There's a new city called Gwangju. Gwangju is the new city in Suwon.
As in new city within
so
Suwon?
it's like, tawag sa Korean, Shindoshi.
Shindoshi.
It's like a new modern city. It was just built like 3-4 years ago, literally.
Ay, seryoso? Within Suwon?
Yeah.
Something that you can explore. Oh, wow.
So if you were down there.
Yeah. Yung structure niya, okay, ito yung nakikita ko. Ito different perspective. Kasi yung perspective natin laging nasa baba. At least, there's a different POV of the Starfield Live. Ay, hello po. Pinoy. Hello po. Ay, totoo po ba? Thank you. Nagbabakasyon po kayo? Po? Ako rin po, traveler. Oh my gosh, salamat. Oo. Enjoy po. Dito din. Sa Suwon kayo nag-stay or Seoul? Seoul? Nag-day trip lang kayo. Just like us. Nice to meet you po. Bye-bye po. Wow, ito na siya. Wow. Stunning. Wow. Yeah, it's so nice.
So aesthetic.
Aesthetic, so aesthetic.
That's the cafe I want to go there.
Okay, nasa taas. Yes. Biglang ninamnam. Hate lang, ang ganda. Feeling ko dinadayo din siya ng mga Pinoy. Sa Facebook page may mga nag-request.
Zoom.
Anong, yung ganito.
Yung andun ka, tapos i-zoom out na malaki pala. Mamaya we can do after we charge.
So you know, tara. At least nakita na natin. So may ganun palang trend.
Yeah.
Okay, so we will stay here until 4 p.m. because Minmin has to go back to Seoul. She has work tomorrow. I'm so happy na sumama ka pa rin hanggang dito. And it's your first time. Doon tayo sa cafe so that we can charge and we can chill and we can take photos na later when we're recharged.
My friend will come here.
Abot siya 4 p.m. mga 3:35. Okay, abot siya. Sabi niya, dream school niya yung Yonsei. Dream school din daw niya yung Yonsei. Actually, I'm not sure what she'll be doing here. Pero, it's her dream school. Aven House Golf and Lunch. Because your boyfriend plays golf?
Yeah, he plays golf.
Wow. Bourgeoisie. Bourgeoisie. Nice, so yung background natin, ano?
Ito. Like, we can talk.
Yeah, when we can talk, that's our background. What's your bestseller? Oh. Okay, all the ones with the best.
Gusto ko yung ice cream.
Ice cream? Okay, ice cream. Tsaka man yung mas mura kapag nagka-card versus cash. Kamsamnida. Buti may water sila.
Yeah. Kanina ako din
actually. Kamsamnida. Of course, we're Filipinos, so we take photos first. Uy, ang ganda mo mag-camera. I love the angling. Angling, the framing. Wow. Uy, ang nice. Yeah. Parang gusto kong gayahin yung sayo. Parang gusto kong gayahin yung sayo. Ganda. Guys, we finally made it to Suwon Starfield Library and POV. Nagkakape kayo on a rainy day in this beautiful library. It's very grand, as in. And here, as matcha lovers, ito yung in-order namin. Wow, ganda. Yep po, beautiful. Coffee, I joke.
Ice cream.
Ice cream.
Tayo, you know?
Yeah, ayan, the ice cream and matcha latte. Matcha latte? Matcha latte. Ang ganda ng ginagawang shot ni Minmin. Like, dito muna, sa product, and then, whoa! Yes! Ayan. So, pwede kayo magkape dito, guys, or mag-latte or ice cream while you're here, savoring the view. Oh, taste test. Go. Musta? Good? As matcha lover, satisfied? Ako din. Yummy. Tapos may taniyabakan biscuits ba?
Diba?
May taniyabakan crisps. Crisps. Yeah, sarap. With a view of Starfield Library. This experience is better shared with someone.
That's true.
Diba, just like what you said earlier, you're the kind of person, because I'm similar. Now, when traveling, I want to be with someone who's as enthusiastic and
like
appreciative as
the same
me.
wavelength.
Right, the same wavelength. Like someone who has the same brand new eyes when seeing new spots.
Very expressive and appreciative.
Yes. Kasi itong Suwon Library, it's something na you can really appreciate. Iba-iba naman tayo ng form of appreciation. It's just our preference, yung kasama namin as enthusiastic as we are. Kasi there are people who are just, calm. Parang, nice. Pero enjoy na inside. Feeling ko ang smart mong kasama sa travels. Dami mong insights.
Sa MBTI, there's this factor called J or P, perceiving or judgment. So Jay usually they want to plan things out ahead. Yung P, parang let's just go and see anong maganda. Ako, no. Before I go, I wanna decide where to go. But sabihin natin, for example, maraming tao, sobrang haba ng pila, then I can adjust. It's not necessarily yung plan ko yung dapat, no? Pero I don't want to like punta and then saan kaya tapos maghahanap? Parang for me, waste of time, I don't know. So, I'm very like that planner. When going places, I know where to go right away.
Yeah. Feeling ko may nasasayang na oras kung wala akong plano. Also, feeling ko, staying in one place, kahit nakaupo ka lang, it's a plan. That's what I did yesterday in Yonam. I just sat. Not necessarily you'll have an activity, lakad-lakad ka. Basta alam mo yung gagawin mo the whole day. Doing nothing in a particular place is also a plan. Before ako umalis, inisip ko muna, saan ba ako today? So yun, chinat kita, Rina, wait, final. Lunch tayo, and then I'll go to Suwon.
And that timely, I've never been here.
Yeah, oo,
So,
sinabi
G.
mo first time. So, G. Gusto ko nang tikman itong aking. Ito mo nang titikman ko ang aking matcha latte. Itong cafe na to, ano din siya, no? May
Golf,
tindang mga golf
So if you
golf
look around,
merch.
those are golf wear and apparel.
Sana all may jowa. Charing! Ilang years na kayo?
2 months pa lang.
Cute yung bear. Hindi na ako nag-vlog kasi nagchikahan kami ni Rina. Parang, ang sayo magchikahan tapos ganyan yung view. I love the feels na umuulan ngayon. Tapos, nandito lang tayo sa loob ng mall.
Yeah, we're so cozy here.
Right. She started her podcast today. Tapos, tayo ang first guest. Kilig much. Saan may pupost yung podcast?
Probably Facebook.
Facebook. You just post and post and post. Me, even if isa lang yung nakikinig or even not at all, post lang ng post.
Yourself.
You yourself. I mean, it's just, for example, creating vlogs. It's just me immortalizing my memories na mapapanood ko lang siya. Diba? Preserving the memories.
Back on it anytime you want.
Correct. So we're gonna go to the library kasi fourth floor.
Bookworm.
Bookworm.
Inuulot na yung mga books ko kasi kailangan ng basahin.
Doon ba nanggaling yung term na bookworm?
Joke lang yun.
Okay. Ganda guys ng Starfield Mall dito sa Suwon. Wow. Ang nice. Kapag umuulan, hanap kayo ng indoor na activities. Yeah. Tambay-tambay lang sa mall, a library like this. Yung mga books dyan, for sure in Hangul, no? Just like in Starfield. Coex. Ah, talaga?
Yeah.
Na in English text? I mean, alphabet? English alphabet? Ah. Talaga? So you just have to meet Hazel and then you leave.
Yeah, kasi I have to go back to Yoido.
Ah, malayo.
Yoido, where Hangang is.
Ah, yeah. Han River.
Han River, yeah.
괜찮아요. I will miss you.
I will miss you din. Pero you know, we're always vlog. I'm always
sabagay.
interacting with your content.
Anyway, di pa naman tayo maghihiwalay. Pupunta pa tayo sa bookstore. Ba't ako nagpapaalam ngayon? Let's go. Andar. Oh, tari naman. Andar.
Actually, that's a Spanish term. Di ba? Andar.
Andar. Ay, wait. Hazel is calling. Hazel, where are you? Hello? Hello? Ay, ang pogi ni Anyosok. Where are you? Hello? Saan kami? Sa 4th floor kami. Dito ka bumibili ng pabango?
Yeah, this is my pabango.
Oh, this one. Very sexy. Oh, very sexy.
Anong perfume lang ha?
Very
Wala
sexy.
akong sinasabi.
Ang funny ng pangalan, very sexy.
If you look it up, it's 2024 Nobel Prize Literature, first in Korea.
Wow.
This year.
Thank you for the trivia. Oo, ako to. Ito na pa yung matagal. Ito na yung matagal nating hinihintay.
Kakainis kayo na
Kayo nga sa'yo.
Nice to meet you.
Stop na natin to. Nice to meet you in person.
Nice to meet you, Loida.
Rina.
Hazel po. Sorry po. Sorry na ulit. Niyan.
Jue Song Heo.
Jue Song Heo.
Yes. may pattern daw dito yung naka-zoom in muna, tapos zoom out, correct?
Oo.
Di ako aware sa trend na
Archie, ba't
yun.
wala?
Si Archie ba talagang nakita mo?
Si Archie talaga. Mali ba ako?
Pero guys, look. Ang ganda. Like,
Napapahiya. Ito, sinabi ko
patingin
sa'yo.
ako nung ano. Patingin ako nung trend. Oh, uy, ang ganda. Wait lang, ang ganda.
Diba?
Repo.
Oh, gagawa ka ta?
Bakit ako lang? Ikaw din.
Okay
Naiya
na
ka?
ako, naiya
Okay ka
ako.
na?
Oo.
Grabe.
Ikaw tsaka
Hindi ko tayo
last
expect
day
kay
mo
Hazel
na.
King. Naiya ka pala sa camera. Naiya ka pala sa camera. Sige, sige.
Go na.
Okay, 1, 2.
Ayun si Hazel, binidyoan tayo. Such a supportive friend. Ganda, 'di ba? Super wow. So may mga trend dito sa TikTok. Ganda. Bait naman ni Hazel. Nag-iisa lang yung... Ito bang favorite mo? Milk cream donut? Isa na lang siya, guys. Itong favorite niya, malilibre siya ng milk cream donut. Sabi ko wag na. Pero dahil favorite niya, kailangan natin itong matry.
Gusto mo drinks?
Hindi, okay na ako. Nag-match ako kanina. Gusto ko yung lagayan mo ng cash. Very humble, very simple, very demure. Hindi siya nakawallet.
Sorry.
Gusto ko yan.
Anong nalagyan na ng cash mo? Patingin na.
Napanalunan ko sa ano,
Patingin.
sa Cebu Pacific.
Patingin.
Teka lang, pag competitive ka sa Cebu Pacific,
Sa flight?
sa flight, okay lang yan. Pero libre naman tayo ng Hazel, okay lang yan. It doesn't matter. So ayun, i-close ko na yung vlog dito. Ang ganda, no?
Ang ganda.
Ganda ni Hazel.
Maganda siya in person.
In person.
Ikaw pa napamatay yung Demon Slayer.
Demon Slayer. Kasi para siyang Infinity Castle sa Demon Slayer na very huge. So, ayun. Pagpunta dito, pwede kayo mag-subway or bus. Si Hazel na wala-wala sa subway. Bakit ka nawala?
Hindi, kasi sanay ako sa Japan na yung malaking letter is yung platform number. Diba? Platform 14, platform 15, nakalagay 1. Eh, platform 1 ako.
Oh.
So, pumunta ako dun sa 1. Yun pala, number siya nung... Parang JR Yamanote Line. Number ng Yamanote Line. Basta, number siya nung station ata. Basta,
Okay, nalito-lito ka sa numbers. Ilang Korea mo na to?
madalas ako sa Korea.
Okay. Pero lito ka pa rin sa ano?
Ano ako, bus person.
Bus person. Nagbus lang kami kanina eh. Yun, ang ating experience dito sa Starfield Library, maulan. So kapag umuulan, mag-mall na lang kayo or mag-indoors para at least ma-appreciate nyo pa rin yung Korea. Kasi plan natin, di ba, may plan ako mag-unpi yung ano lang, unpi yung Hanok Village. And then river bike tayo. Pero umuulan, pag-gising ko, this is Dave, guys.
Anyway, sige, go na.
This is Dave, the Kuripo Traveler. Let's live our best lives. Yan! Pero yeah, ang ganda ng mall, no? Tara!